Hey guys, I'm coming at y'all today with an unboxing on some hair that I purchased from Moda off of AliExpress, and also I purchased a closure to match from my local beauty supply store. For the Moda hair, as you can see, it came in FedEx Priority International. This is the box that it came in. This is some good packaging. It says 100% human hair all around. So the Moda, your first choice hair, choosing us to impress yourself. Then on the back, it has the little QR codes to find the AliExpress store, and also their store website and LayModaLife.com. I guess that's another one of their websites. Opening the box. This is the bundles. I have a free gift. I have got some individual eyelashes. I ordered 3 bundles of their Malaysian Curly. I ordered a 16, 18, and a 20. Also inside the box is a pamphlet that says Moda, your first choice hair. And basically got hair care tips, feedback, zero risk, the refund policy, the products that they carry, and also has a note on the inside. So let's get right into there. So first, I'm gonna open the 16-inch. As you see, it comes in a clear plastic wrapping, and it has the tag. It says Moda texture, curly weave, color natural, link 16, 100% human hair. Around the top, it says Moda, 100% virgin hair, human hair. This hair is pretty soft. It has like a hair factory smell. It's not bad, but it's not nothing you can't wash out. As y'all can see, my hands are running through it. Some parts I'm getting like little snags, like right here. But other than that, never mind, I got one strand of shedding. But I do expect shedding with this curly hair. Now I'm opening up the 18. She's bouncy. This one's also, it's soft, but it also has a coarse feel to it, which I like. I just got one strand, if y'all can see that. And lastly, the 20-inch. Oh, I didn't smell the 18-inch. The 18-inch has the same factory smell, but it's not nothing you can't get out. Here's the 20. This one I could rub my hands through easily. I didn't get no snags on this one. I just got one strand of shedding. You got to see that. Okay. These are all 3 bundles together. This is pretty nice weft size. They have good weft construction, I can say that. The beards on them are not too short and also not too long, which also is a good thing. This is all the hair together. Okay, and now But I don't know, I feel like they have the same curl pattern. I'm finna go do the water test for you guys. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is the hair wet. I did not wash it, condition it, nothing, none of that. And this is a pretty curl pattern. And I also wet the closure, and the closure does match the curl pattern on the hair. It's kind of tighter than the bundles, but usually I'm gonna diffuse the hair so that way it all match. But guys, this is it. This is the allure Moda. Just got some shedding right there. This is the allure Moda Malaysian Curly. 16, 18, and a 20. And all in all, I purchased the bundles for $95 and some change. I'm trying to get this hair off my hand. I purchased the bundles for $95 and some change, but I purchased the closure for $45. And the closure is by the brand called Allure, 100% virgin Brazilian Remy hair. If you have any questions, comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section, and I will reply. Off the back, this initial review, I can say this hair will probably be pretty good to me. Hopefully this hair will not shed, tangle, all that, because in all, after wetting hair, this is all the shit I got. And that's from all 3 bundles. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my initial review.